Welcome back to the channel where we rebuild, troubleshoot, and motivate you to take a stab at your own projects. Today, we've got a crazy build going on. No, it's a little bit different completely from the cars that I've been doing. This car still got a little bit more work to do. Some panels got to get pulled out like right there, and got to do a little bit more sanding, and she's gonna be ready very soon for paint. But got a crazy thing coming up right now, so it's just finally arrived. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below or over here on the side, and hit the little bell so you guys get post notifications of new builds to come. There's a lot more content coming this way onto this channel, so I believe you will find something that will be appealing to you. So let's go ahead and take a stab. Also, this video is going to be sponsored by Speed 6. I mentioned it in my previous video, but I'll leave a link down in the description below. This is what it looks like. Alright, here we go. This is Speed 6. This is the website you will come to when you click the link down in the description. Here, as it says, you get a chance to win $1,000 and it is ending on October the 31st. Here we go. Each dollar spent on here is a one entry. Here you can buy a bunch of different t-shirts, tank tops, phone holders and cases, keychains, stickers and decals. So go ahead and check it out. Would really be awesome if you guys would be the winners, and I'll definitely be announcing the winner on here on this channel. Make sure you guys sign up and buy your things before the 31st. Now let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into the project. Alright guys, you can see I set up a tent around here, and it's a lot lower just because the sun is literally like right over there, and it's just blazing super hot. So trying to keep cool as much as possible, that way it's a little bit more comfortable to work. And guess what? This is our new build. This is a sick ride. So this here is a 2006 CBR600RR. It is a Repsol edition. These plastics are original. They have been just gotten a custom paint job and stickers, of course, done to it. Let's go ahead and take a look around the bike. Alright guys, so you may see that it is taken apart a little bit, but it was not wrecked. I bought it all complete, 100%. Don't really like to buy wrecked bikes yet. I've never worked on it like that. I know it can get really expensive really quickly on bikes, but so I bought this one. It is running 100%. This is what she looks like. Definitely got a little bit more shots in the sunlight, but I have started taking some things apart due to the fact of it smelling a little bit like gas when it stood in a closed area for a little bit of time overnight. So I've already removed the gas tank, checked underneath, make sure everything was clean. I had found that this hose here on the top end, it had one of the rubber hoses where it connects to a different link. It was a little bit cracked. I'll show you a picture right here or on this side. And so I had to cut it a little bit further back and then put a clamp on it. That way it will last a little bit longer, and stood overnight for a little bit longer. It turns out that it may have been that because it smells a lot less. It's just a very, very faint smell of gasoline. But that's with every car. It's just a little bit of smell of that gas out there. But so we're gonna go ahead and start putting all the plastics back together, tighten everything down. There were some bolts that were missing, like holding the gas tank on the back. The main two bolts right here, they were there, but the bolts back here, they weren't. So I'm gonna go ahead and find two other bolts so I can go ahead and fasten down, make sure everything is there. But yeah, the plastics are 100%. There's nothing wrong with this bike. Mechanically 100%. Starts up, drives very smoothly. I looked over this bike very carefully before I purchased it. Of course, couldn't really do the smell test since, you know, you took a ride and it obviously smells like gas already, but but yeah, I'm gonna start putting it back together. But the only problem that I found was right here. This little piece right there has a little scuff, which this is showing that it's very minor. It doesn't have any marks that are going this way from the front to back of the bike. That would have indicated if the bike fell over and slid. This more looks like the bike just leaned over and fell on its side. And they actually painted this bumper. They actually painted this like this mainly for like a show bike type of deal. But there's been quite a bit of modifications done to this bike. I'll put up a list over here for you guys to look at it. And but yeah, it's a very quick bike. The sprocket's been changed in the back. The chain's been changed as well, making the bike accelerate a lot faster by not having the top end, you know, it's a little bit smaller, but still being able to hit around 150 and 160 miles per hour. But let's go ahead and start putting her together and show you guys what she looks like when she's all together. Alright guys, got my GoPro mounted on my chest so you guys get a first person view. Let's go ahead and start working on the bike. Let's start with this bolt right here. It's gonna go right into this spot right there. Gonna go ahead and hand tighten everything first. Both sides bolts are in. And I found one for this one right under here that was missing. Got it for both sides, so tighten it down. There we go. Hand tighten. These are 12s. Like to always hand tighten it. I know electrical or drills can do the job, but hand tighten is always best to don't stray. All right, I'm gonna start installing this little cover in the back. So the reason I'm taking this off is because I think this little spacing for some reason keeps coming undone. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of adhesive around so it will catch better and hold it a little bit better. All right, there we have it. Put the glue all the way around, making sure it seals up and it's grabbed really well. Here you go. This is the gas cap. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, now that we got the gas tank cover on, now we got to move on to the side panels that fit right here. All right guys, got both of the little pieces on here. Just having a little bit of trouble back there to tighten it up, but this side is all good. Just got one more bolt to put in right there, and already tightened these little bolts up. So gonna go ahead and start putting this mirror on, making sure it aligns. All right, now one of the main bolts that actually sits on both sides, one here and one on the other side. All right, so the time has come, finally put the seat on. I only got two bolts right here that go on, which screw down right here and right here with an Allen key. The seat is on and it's looking fresh. Only last bolts are two up here. Gotta find a little clamp for that one, same as that one, and we're gonna be good to take our first test ride. All right, the bike is 100% complete. Here we go. Here's the side, here's the front. Looking awesome. Let's see if I can get you guys another shot. Here we go. Everything is in its place. Time to go ahead and take a spin on her. Let's see the mileage on here. All right, here we go. It's got 27,711 miles. Pretty little for a 06. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a cold start, and let's go take our first spin. Alright guys, so that was a little ride for you guys. It's just so hot right now, it's insane. But small little ride for you guys to show you. She rides really nice and smooth. I need to get myself a mic, so please leave me down in the descriptions what kind of mic is best to get so you can hear really well. I have a good showy helmet re-encounter, but I'm trying to really get a headset so I can actually talk to you guys. That would be really cool. Would love to do some motovlogs, so let me know down in the description. And I hope you guys loved this video. If you guys did, subscribe down below. There's gonna be a ton more videos coming just like this and much more. Would really appreciate all your support. Till next time, peace.